In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Gemini to N8n. This process is straightforward and, as promised, should take us no more than 5 minutes. To get started, let's first navigate to Google AI Studio. You'll want to access their main portal where we're going to secure our API key, which is essential for connecting Google Gemini to N8n. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. This is crucial because Google AI Studio uses your Google credentials to authenticate your access and manage project-specific resources. Once you're signed in, the next step is to locate and click on Get API Key. This action is important because this key allows N8n to communicate with Google Gemini securely, ensuring that any data exchanged is protected. Following that, you'll be prompted to choose an existing project or create a new one. If you already have a project set up, feel free to select that. Otherwise, creating a fresh project is just as easy and can be done in a few simple clicks. Now, with your project selected, you will see your API key. Go ahead and copy this key. It's the critical piece of information that links N8n with Google Gemini, so make sure you store it safely to use in the next steps. With this key in hand, let's shift our attention to N8n. Open up N8n and head straight to the credentials section. This is where you'll inform N8n how to interact with other platforms like Google Gemini. In the credentials section, click on New Credentials. This option allows you to add a new set of credentials specifically for this integration. In the next screen, you'll search for Google Gemini. N8n's interface might show you various options, so simply type in Google Gemini to narrow down the choices and select it. After selecting Google Gemini, you'll be prompted to fill in some needed information. This usually includes the API key you received earlier from Google AI Studio. Be sure to enter this accurately, as any mistakes could prevent a successful connection. Once everything is filled out correctly, the final step is to click Save to secure your new credentials. This action finalizes the setup process and allows N8n to communicate seamlessly with Google Gemini using the credentials you just configured. With that, you've successfully connected Google Gemini to N8n in just a few minutes. By following these steps, you've empowered your N8n environment to utilize the functionalities of Google Gemini, opening doors to enhanced automation capabilities. Enjoy your newly integrated setup and feel free to explore the endless possibilities that come with combining these powerful tools. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.